Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, and welcome to Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I am Pamela, your host, and I hope everyone's having a great day today. Grab you a cup of coffee, just sit back, and let's just see what I'm up to today. Okay. Don't forget, I do have a giveaway going on this week, and it ends, I don't remember what day, if it's Thursday or Friday. I'll have to go back and look. But I will leave the link below to enter that giveaway. That is some yarn from Cassie, Crafty Cassie. Isn't it beautiful? So, and some stitch markers. Beautiful stitch markers. So yeah, I'll leave those linked below. Go check that out, enter the giveaway. Okay, so what have I done? All right, you know that every month I am working on I have the crochet towel toppers going on, and I make 4 a month, and we are now in September. We only have 3 more months to go. And my goal was to be able to have 4 special ladies in my life, and I wanted to give each one of those 12 kitchen towel toppers to hang on their stove, and they're all theme related, you know, that type of stuff. Well, for my mom, she loves my slippers that I make, and I do have a tutorial for this. And so I was gifted this beautiful soft yarn. It's from I Love This Yarn, and I was gifted this yarn, so thank you very much. And I used it to make her a pair of slippers, and she is going to love these. I mean, this yarn is super soft. Oh my gosh. It just feels like it's even softer than their solid color yarns. But yeah, I do have a tutorial for this slipper right here if you want to make it. I think I put this under Sock Monkey is the one that I do this with. But I just make it. Sometimes I make the toe different than this part, and then I make this different, and then this different. And then sometimes, like with this one, I just take my yarn, start here, and I work all the way to the back with the same yarn, and I tie it, fasten it off, and then I do the little brim, the little ribbed brim around here. Because she likes these nice and tight on her ankle. Because as you know, yarn tends to stretch, and so we make these where they fit, where they're not like tight where they hurt, but they don't slip off. And so we found the best fit for her. Anyway, so I do have a tutorial. I have 2 of them. I'll leave the links below. So let's look at the yarn. This is I Love This Yarn. And this comes from Hobby Lobby. It was Sea Spray Ombre. Oh my gosh, that just feels good. Thank you so much for this. It says, I love this yarn, super soft, super savings, ombre. And it is 100% acrylic, 252 yards in here, medium 4 weight, sea spray ombre. Yeah. This is just very nice. I love this. Thank you so much for this yarn. I think there might be enough to get me a pair out of this. Wouldn't that be nice? If anything, I may have to make this part a different color. Like, I was thinking maybe throw in that turquoise color for this part up here, just in case there's not enough. And sometimes when I'm low on some yarn and I'm not sure how far it will go, I will only make this part, and then I will stop, and then I'll make this part and stop. And then I'll see where I'm at on my yarn, and then I'll continue on to this, because I don't know sometimes if I need to go to a second color or not. And so yeah, so that's how I do that. All right, so, oh yeah, my next doll outfit is this one right here that I'm working on. And it's the first time I've done a little skirt set, so I'm pretty excited about this. Here's the back side. And see, she's got little shorts under there. And it took me a little bit trying to figure this one out, and the top. But guys, if you want to do something, just get your yarn out, get your hook out, and just start crocheting stitch by stitch. And things just come together for you. If you just do that, just take time. Even if you have to frog things, I have to frog things all the time. And but yeah, so I'm excited about this one. There are some other pieces that are coming with this, but this is what I got done yesterday. And so the next thing is I got some Happy Mail. Yay! So thank you so much, Doris from Rose Cottage Studio. I appreciate this so much, and I am sending you an email to thank you as well. But she gave this really cool, look at this. And then on the front it says, this belongs to a crocheter on the inside there. Isn't that cool? I just thought, oh my gosh, I can't believe I got this. This is so neat. I like it. And it's that rubbery top feeling, you know, so if it gets wet, it's not going to hurt it. Durable, I guess you could say. And she gave me a card, and I really like this. It says, Crocheting Forever. And she gives this card so that you can turn around and use it to give to someone else. Isn't that neat? Yeah, and that's what she says in this little note. So, but yeah, it's Crocheting Forever. I appreciate that. And she did leave me a cute little note here. Thank you so much. And she gave me some tea. Gosh, my shirt is so big. I think I grabbed the wrong one. I have this shirt in 3 sizes. I've got it in medium, large, and extra large. And I think I must have grabbed the extra large because this thing is big. It says it's Twinings, herbal tea, honey bush, mandarin, and orange. So I got that. And this one is lemon and ginger. Pumpkin spice. So thank you so much for that, Doris. I appreciate that. Let me grab a sip real quick, guys. And thank you for my cup. This was gifted to me as well. I appreciate that so much. The next thing that Doris gifted me was, or is, this soft and shiny loops and thread yarn. And she said that since this is my favorite color, turquoise, she would like to gift this to me. So thank you so much for this, Doris. I appreciate this so much. I thought I'd open it up real quick to show you guys what it says. I don't know if I've ever seen this in the stores. Ooh, that is super soft. It's really shiny. That's some shiny yarn. Soft and shiny. That's a good way to name it, right? It's called Blueberry, and it is a medium full weight. It reminds me a lot of that Caron. I think that's more of a 3. I'm going to use this as a DK weight. It says 311 yards in here, medium full weight. It's made in Irving, Texas. How cool. 100% acrylic. I wonder what the pattern, if that's knit or crochet. It's hard to tell with these old eyes of mine. It just says free pattern, but I think it might be crochet. It's a little hard to tell on the picture because of the color they chose, but that kind of looks like it might be crochet. Yeah. Who knows? I just may make that blanket with it. So my last thing that I have is my Ipsy bag. I know everyone's not into the makeup thing, but I just love my makeup, my Ipsy bag. And I just recently switched over from the little zippered pouches where they give you 5 like trial size things, which I love. I have them all separated in bags. I have all my mascaras together, all my face lotions and face cleansers together. I have all my eyeshadows, lipsticks, lip liners, eyeliners. I have everything separated in Ziploc bags. And so when I run out of something, I just go in there and I grab whatever it is. And so I was paying $13 a month for that. And anyway, I just love it. Well, I just recently, this month and last month, I just started their, what they call the $25 bag. So it's called the Glam Plus. And last month, you know, I got the, gosh, what color was it? It's green. I got a green, like, drawstring bag. Well, today, this month, it is beautiful. I love it. And my sister Tanya, she just recently switched over too. And so here is this month's bag. Isn't that beautiful? I was so excited when I got this. And I keep my little small yarn projects in this when I'm on the go. So not just on the go, but in my bag as well. I mean, my bag, in my whip caddy as well. So anyway, so here, when you get the $25 bag, you get the full size products. So this stuff, this smells good. This is, hold on. You know what? I think what I'm smelling is, I get reward points, and I think it's this. Yes, this is this 12-in-1 Magic. I ordered this with my reward points, and it's a full size. And I ordered this little brush cleanser or cleaner, and I ordered some mascara. Because you guys know mascara is expensive. I always like when they put mascara in my bag. So anyway, I got the super hyaluronic, I don't know. I have no idea how you say that word, and I'm just making a fool of myself. Amino acid 100 cleanser. So I was really super excited to get this because I like face cleansers. So I got that one. And what else? Oh yeah, they sent me this really large brush. I will probably gift this. My family is mostly made up of girls, and so a lot of things I give for Christmas gifts and stuff. I do have a step granddaughter, and she just turned 12. So a lot of my makeup things I gift to her, like for Christmas and birthdays and stuff. So I'll make sure. And then I have sisters and nieces. So anything that I get, some of my sisters, my family members, get this bag. This is eyeliner in black, full size, and they give you a card. What else do I got in here? Oh yeah, this is lip balm. I mean, a Bali balm, lemon and black pepper lip balm. And I thought, well, that's kind of crazy. Lemon and black pepper. I have not tried it, so, but yeah. I am anxious to try that. All right. Man, that stuff smells good. I don't know if it's that one or if it's that other thing. But then we also got this eyeshadow. This thing, only thing I don't like about this is just that this is so heavy. It's like, why does it got to be so heavy? But here it is. It's beautiful. Isn't that pretty? I love those colors. Of course, I tend to like the grays and the browns a little more than that. But still, I do have outfits and things that have these colors in them. So yes, I will leave my referral link below in case you want to sign up. You can get reward points. I get tons of them by whenever your products come in, you just put a star next to each one. You get points for that. You know, there's just different ways that you can earn reward points, and then you can turn around and turn those reward points into merchandise like I do. And if you see something in there that you want or you want to give as a gift, then you get to order it for free with those reward points. So I really like this. It is free shipping. You can put it on hold and then continue back. I think you can even have it where you don't have to do it monthly, but you can do it like however many months you want, every other month or every 3 months, you know, that type of thing. I'm not sure. I have to look into that, but I know you can put it on hold. Well, believe it or not, guys, that's all the crochet that I have for today. I do have some works in progress, and I will show those along with the little whip caddies. I need to go to my Facebook page. I saw where some people are posting their whip caddies for this week. So I've got to go in there and add those pictures to Canva. And then when I do that, then that'll be the day that I do my whip caddy video. So if you want your whip caddy in the Facebook, if you want the whip caddy in the next video, my next whip caddy video, then post it in the Facebook group page. I didn't know if I was ever going to get that out. Anyway, so let's go ahead and do our 365 days of prayer. It says, by your grace, If you forgive those who sin against you, your heavenly Father will forgive you. But if you refuse to forgive others, your Father will not forgive your sins. Matthew 6:14-15. Gracious God, the depth of your willingness to forgive shows me how close forgiveness is to your heart. Is there much you value more than when we extend your grace to someone who needs it? And when they don't deserve it, how much more do our forgiving hearts delight you? When I'm faced with an unforgivable offense, help me separate it from the offender. While actions may not always be redeemable, remind me that people always are. Help me recall that to withhold my forgiveness is to jeopardize yours. And when by your grace I've given grace, grant me the incomparable pleasure of your joyful presence. It says, is there someone who needs you to extend grace or forgiveness? That is a really good one. I appreciate that one. I hope that helps you guys as much as it helps me. That is all that I have for this video. Just remember, guys, live life, have fun, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.